So, yep, it's January 9th. You see I'm in the work, man. Yep. But I'm not doing any detailing today because, for one, it's raining. Well, I'm going to turn y'all around and let y'all see it. Yeah, it's raining over here. And the weather called for rain later tonight. I didn't think it was going to rain like how it's raining now. So all my appointments, they getting rescheduled for next week. So yeah, all my appointments getting rescheduled for next week. So, which that's a good thing on, two ends. For one, I know I have 3 appointments I got to reschedule for next week sometime, which that's money, that I know for sure is going to be there. And 2, I was on Marketplace earlier this week and I seen where someone had a lawnmower that they was giving away for free. So they said it ran last year and they can't get it to start. So me being me, I reached out to him and told him, I could come, I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll put it in the what's the name right here. They said just wait till Friday. Today is Friday, and I really forgot. But they reached out to me right after my first appointment, rescheduled. Said if you want, you can come. They said you still want it or something. I forgot how it goes. Like I said, I'll put the message up in this. I'll put the message somewhere here. They're like, if you want it, you come get it. I'm like, yeah, I'm on my way now then. I ain't got nothing to do. I had to make some room back there. So, yeah. It's a Troy built lawnmower with the Honda engine, and it came with the bag on the back. And see, I want it because instead of raking my leaves up, the only thing I gotta do is just hook the bag up, jack it up high in the air, and go over my leaves, and it's gonna collect those leaves. I ain't got a rake in that. So yeah, that's a plus. And then I can use that. I can make money with that, for real. Like somebody want their leaves up, I'll blow them in a pile and just ride over them. So yeah, now I got, like I said, I got the lawnmower right here. The bag is in the back. I'm going to go to my dad's house and I'm gonna take it out and see if we can get it to run. So I'm gonna turn y'all off and I'll turn y'all back on once I get over there. Well, it does work. We got it to start. Right here. Okay. Piece right here.
Yeah. Good way to start.
I was pulling in and letting it go.
Start to kick back in. That's it right there, man. Yeah. That's it.
Open.
That's it. Whatever that is you're doing right now. Yeah.
Well, fam, as you see, it worked. So yeah, got me a free lawnmower. I ain't gonna say free because I gotta buy a carburetor for it. I'm gonna get a carburetor, $20 piece, put it on myself. Yeah, that's $175 over $200 lawnmower somewhere around there. So sure, even if I wanted to, even if I wanted to sell it, shoot, I'm making profit. So hey, I'm gonna keep it though for right now. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I need to do, and I'm going to use it to get the leaves up out my yard. You feel me? Because I got the bag of it. See, the lawnmower that I got now, it's just a mulcher, which it mulches the leaves up, but it's still gonna spread them out or whatever. You feel me? So with this one right here, it's gonna mulch them up and kick them back out. That's what I'm talking about. It's gonna kick them out, put them in that bag. So yeah, hey, can't go wrong with free. You feel me? Especially at work. So yeah, headed to the house now, and I'm probably gonna leave it in here because I gotta make room, see where I'm gonna put it in. I'll do that this weekend. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, Sunday. I ain't doing too much of that. Probably go to it's supposed to be like this little boy I see on not market. I see on Facebook. I'm in this group where they going to this little kid's birthday party. He turning 5. It's a surprise birthday party. He like cars, so they putting together a little, like a surprise party with all type of cars going, and a guy that I met at like a car meet, he's going, so I might end up going to that. It's in Gaffney from 2 to 4, and then later that afternoon they having something off of New Cut Road for a guy that passed. I don't know when he passed. I've seen the guy before. I can't recall where I've seen him at, but they gonna do like a remembrance, get together for him. So I'll probably go to that too. So yeah, more videos coming. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm about to stop, get me something to eat, go on to the house, get ready to pick these kids up. So yeah, if you like the content, you like what I'm doing over here, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on over here on the daily. I don't care if it's just me riding around, me going to chill with Pops, going to chill over there with my grandma, my mom, my brother, stuff like that. Let y'all see what's going on over here with your boy RD. I'm just gonna let y'all, ride with me, kick it with me. So if y'all like the content, like what I got going on, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let your boy know y'all ride with me. Yeah, I'll get with y'all a little later.